Don't you love the first exhaust startup, that smell? Oh. Welcome back to Vivid Racing YouTube channel. Today we're getting back into the new Nissan Z for part 2. Today we'll be installing APEXi new exhaust system. If you tuned into part 1, we have installed the VR-Tune tuning box. This thing will add about 100 horsepower and 100 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels at 4,000 RPM. And we also installed VR forged TO3Rs in satin bronze to give it some pizzazz. Before we jump right into the install, let's get some stock exhaust sound real quick. All right. You know what? Let's take it out for a drive. Yeah, this thing definitely needs an aftermarket exhaust system. I'm in sport mode, but it sounds good and it drives well, but I think we definitely need an aftermarket exhaust system. And if we can get a little bit more aggressiveness to it, I think that will be solid. Now I'm really excited to unbox the exhaust and install it on the car. All right, we have the APEXi RS Evo Extreme exhaust system here, so let's unbox it. Let's go. We got 3 pieces of catback system here. This is the X-pipe mid pipe front. Oh, thank you for the help. And I got the Y pipe here. And most importantly, I got the mufflers. Yay! So heavy. No, it's light. It is light.
I think they're gonna sound amazing.
Can you tell by the looks?
Yes.
Can you tell by the look? All right. All right, let's open it up. Whoa! Look at that. Beautiful. And it got the full titanium tips, and it has the APEXi graving on it.
Time for some sweaty hands. Ready for your colonoscopy, sir. Feel a slight pinching sensation. Yeah, you got it.
I got it. Okay, maybe can you pull it?
Jeez.
Nice.
Big man.
Big man.
I can't tell if it's still in. Oh.
I think it's out.
Tough.
Nice. What do you think, Shane? Stock exhaust? Upgraded exhaust system.
I'm a pick upgraded.
Whoa, I just noticed this.
Oh, that's cool.
That is so sick. APEXi, that's dope. That is clean. Look at that weld too. It's TIG welded.
Getting ripped out here. Working on the Z.
Okay. So the system came with the brand new gaskets and hardware, even the English installation manuals. What?
Separated on my studio.
Oh.
Okay.
If you're wondering why we chose an APEXi exhaust system, it's because APEXi has been around since 1992 and they make high quality exhaust system for a lot of JDM vehicles. And I thought it would be a nice fit for this car. Enough talking, let's get this car on the ground and hear what it sounds like. Okay, we got the RS Evo exhaust system installed. Shane is going to give us the first startup. So, are you ready, Shane? Fire it up! Don't you love the first exhaust startup though? The smell and you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, should we go for a drive?
I think we should. Let's go.
think it sounds really good.
It does.
I think in the top end it's going to sound really nice.
It has a little bit more sporty note to it. It's crispy, huh?
It is crispy.
Love that. It has a deeper sound to it. Wow. I wouldn't say it's a lot louder. Aggressive. That was so cool. That was so cool. And I think
Sounds really good.
yes. Wow. APEXi did a really good job with this exhaust system. I like it a lot. It makes the driving a lot more fun. I don't know, I think it's because of the sound. I feel like I'm going way faster than it actually is.
I like it because it's not too extra. It's
Yeah.
just a nicer tone.
It's subtle. Definitely a lot of sauce. All right, that's it for today. What did you guys think about the new APEX exhaust system? Let me know down in the comments. And next video, I think we're gonna be doing the coilovers. Stay tuned for that. I see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.